Right here is an Alba Racing full exhaust and an airbox spacer and their install kit for the airbox spacer. I'm going to Cerakote the exhaust and everything, so I'm going to do that later. But right now, I'm just going to install this guy. Still waiting on the tune to come back in the mail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off all the plastics to make it a little easier, and then go from there.
I said that I would come. She said that she would wait 1,000 miles and oh so far away. I hope that I was right. She knew that she was wrong, and the door was flung wide open from the anger of the storm. And these eyes that stay wide open in a dream so hard to find when you're away. I walked into the room. There wasn't much to say. If a year gone by, you think it's yesterday. And I don't even care what you owe me tonight, 'cause I played this game so long, and I still can't win the prize. And these eyes are stay wide open, and a dream too hard to find when you're away. I'm finding a way. I'm finding a way. A way to start again. A way that I pretend. I'm finding a way. I'm finding a way.
So I got this off the bed plastics, however you say it. As you can see, the last time I drove this thing was at the Dirt Series at Verona Oaks, and it rained heavily like 3 days prior to the event, and then that morning it hailed. We are now reduced to the tent because
Up here for a reason.
it's hailing.
He's walking in.
Oh, there's Dustin out there somewhere. Fuck.
I think this is a COVID violation.
There we go.
Oh yeah, we're here at the COVID tent.
Hey, this is a super.
Everybody say COVID once, it's gonna go away. Achoo! And so I pressure washed this thing for at least an hour and a half the next day, and it's still pretty dirty. But look, if you get the bed plastic off, pretty good access to the airbox, even though it's pretty dirty. So I got like halfway through this video when I realized if I already got this far, why don't we just take the whole airbox off rather than trying to get all 15 or 12 screws out. Felt stupid to me. So if you choose to do it my way, there is one plug and 3 hoses you gotta pull off and 2 bolts, and it all comes off. You need 2 foot of extensions though to get to the throttle body Allens. Other than that, well, there you have it. Airbox spacer installed. Personal opinion on this is that if I did not take this out to install this spacer outside of the car, I probably would have got something wrong. It took a lot of time to actually get the O-ring sealed into there and into there. You know, and once you get to the box itself, it's actually really not that hard. There you go. Alright, so this YZ is back together. All the parts put back on it. I had to fast forwarded a couple days because getting the airbox back on was a little bit more difficult than I thought it was going to be. But a tip that I can give you would be to, when reinstalling, slide these hose clamps, basically, that sit in one little area. Slide these up the velocity stacks, so where there's no hose clamp on the throttle body tube, and it'll make your day a lot easier. Other than that, very easy. Sounds good too.